everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh, Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi, you are my battle. I call you Rapha, hey, you are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ye jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mransemu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofra hwemu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu. Enunti ne yetu yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantia bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister ya Gina Tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmeranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another episode of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. It's a privilege to come your way with this edition with our legal system education all the way from UK, BWF Solicitors. Thank you, and I believe you are going to stay till the end of this show. My name is Manyeti. Oniadofo ebusuafo enuanom anɔpɛ nso medam ase sɛ mo abɛka yɛn ho na yɛde legal edition yi anaasɛ BWF Solicitors adesua yi ɛde ba ma kwan megidi ne sɛ mobɛka yɛn ho fitisibrea sɛ yɛbɛwie na ɛnɛ yɛwɔ nneɛma bebree ɛde ma mo ɛyɛ me nigye ɛyɛ me ahoawo a sɛ ɛnɛ nso menya ahoɔden adom ne nti na mesan bɛtenam na yɛde saa edwumadie yi aba mo kwan Madam ase, Midiani Manyeti. Ene nyame adom yenya lawyer papa bi, lawyer tinkentin kanche say. BWF Solicitors lawyers dear, no size. Sana mekano, no size. Ena yenya yen lawyer, yebibisa nsɛm na yɛhwɛm nneɛma a yɛsua na wɔtwe bia ade a yɛde ba ma kwan yɛsua no. Ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a obi bɛtena ekyire bi no abonitirim sɛ oh ene de me kwan adɔ sɛ yɛnka sei anaasɛ oh ene me kwan adɔ sɛ daabi o na mmom yɛde ni yɛde na yakoma yɛde adwen yɛde nimdeɛ yɛde bibia ɛto fam na yɛhwiahwia yɛka sɛ yɛhwiahwia da kyerɛ sɛ yɛ investigate yɛhwɛ nea ɛkɔ yɛde nkrof ehyiahyia yɛde yɛadwen keka bom na yɛhu amanfoɔ adwendwen adadwen ɔmo haw ne ebobo omo ne etete omo nneoma omo pɛ ho animdie nsɛm a omo bisabisa na omo nye obi ɛmɔ omomoaye no ne abo ne nyina atɔfa sɛ ene die yitie ya questions ankrofo ebisa omo di ho ebobue yɛmba mbɛka ho animdie ana yɛmbɛkyerɛ ɛma animdie ɛwɔ ho na yɛasom ɛndwe yɛn enti sara na ne yɛkɔfare aba yɛakɔfa aba ene de me say me hu topic ne kra no na kyerɛ sɛ me ni agi sometime because sɛ ne etie biara yɛ say esum bia no uhu han ɛwɔ kyire enti no saa nso na ɛhan bia no uhu esum ɛwɔ kyire ne de na kyerɛ sɛ nsɛm a ɛkɔ so ɛno ne ɛba abɛka na menim sɛ ɛbɛboa wo no ebi ɛba sɛ a wo nko a ɛnkyɛ mfa mesrɛ we ne die mu wo nko a ɛnkyɛ mfa na agyeman meda wase sɛ wonya te your notification na America na wo de aba because unim nie saa enimdi a wa benya free he eyema enkrofo nti wo ho pɛ na wo hyɛ na wo bɔ nkrofo aba so mo nhyɛ no kre na agyeman me nhyira saa na me nua teleduma nso me gide sɛ wo so abelande na agyeman say Margaret Edu Mensa na kyerɛ sɛ ye nua pɛ ne na agyeman de oba enim sɛ onim sɛ edwumade ayɛ ntine oba na obɔ register na kyerɛ sɛ ofrɛfrɛ busuafo nti mo nyinaa momfa America embra na yɛnhwɛ dwumadi na ɛbɛboa me nua ba Sandra Fraser nyame nhyira yɛn secretary papa bi yɛ ba ya no dem yes Sandra no nyame nhyira si share na ɔde edwumadi a yɛ ba bɛyɛ ɛne BWF Solicitors ɔde ɔmo ho akande nyinaa na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo address system nyinada abegudwa sɛ monhwɛ na yɛba bɛka sɛ yɛba bɛ kyerɛkyerɛ nneɔma yi wobɛte biribi a wobɛpɛ sɛ wobɛkɔ hɔ sɛ wobɛkɔ akɔ pemwa enti no unya address na wakwa pemba BWF Solicitors no omo 4th floor Anna House. 4th floor Anna House. Na 4th floor Anna House kra ewo hemfa. Eni echiri kra ewo 7 Sisters Tube Station ne so pepepepepe. 7 Sisters Tube Station. Wo UK abonten ha so dia ye boss 7 Sisters na chese unim ho. Enti me ma address na eye 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, 7 Sisters. Na omo postcode eye London N154NP. Na ma mencha sa no mesimieni. Mesrew bomoden afa no mesimienu ebehia wo. Ye wi adwumedie ya me sha wo boss we be se me sha wo nkom wo be friend na mana because wo behia emwa ewo mo nchen. Ene se sa na ma ne ye 0208. But wafa pen ni paper de. Ana wafa phone na tro to so 0208 493 7340. Me sign esisubium 0208 493 7340. Na sign tro ne ka ho ne 077 1276 1884. Any day ya na emergency number. Enti actually so na ye de na chese wo de pima enyi yi no no afre eno na 0208 ne de abibia eye adwuma Monday to Sunday, Monday to Saturday, adwuma throughout. Yo, medama se ye be koso ene ye mre akwechire kakra nti me ma me kasa enye tintin. Me be ma ye papa lawyer Patrick, yes. Ye camera na wa bin ye wa bemu yi ankasa. Me manaba na ono nso mfa enchia emma etiefo ne ahwefo nyina omo hwe yen na afede de dwumadie no nso ahyase na nsa na obeba no mesrem wo hwe me a na kire se ida se wo hwe mo BW Communication Facebook so ana se utie me a utie mo BW Radio so ana se BW Solicitors omo web page no nso a eso eni omo Facebook ansa na yesan wo YouTube nso a obetumi enya ye wo ho ye wo Twitter ye wo Instagram na kire se social media no ya piti wo baabia eno ase type BWF Solicitors eno abeyi no ho pie baabia wo bia na we nya live stream no na wetie ye enti mema ye lawyer papa bi ono nso di nchia abema mo na afede di dwumedie no ato aso efri ho lawyer Patrick pacho mema akwaba.
Yes, Manye, very, very good morning. I hope so. Anope ohuye and atifu nyina so ye mamu nyina good morning and akwaba to your platform BWF Solicitors and afei your program Legal Hour. Tisa wo hweye utie a ene Friday nyame ya dom ode yen kwa ache enye nipa nyina na enya no se ne enya no. So why adom na waboy atenase a na anopay as usual ye babisua UK emramu nsem na yenya bibi ede aboye ho ban aboye bra going into the weekend and the week ahead and also so timanye meda wase
Yo, la Patrick menso me da wase se abrebia munyamre mo tight corners ni nyina mo twetwe bi so na mo aba be kan ye ho na ye de sa adwumadie ama edom nyame enhra na nyame enhra BWF Solicitors fo nyina nso na adwumadie enkoso na ntumpon yo se asaba yem se ye internet no ye bit rough na nso no ye de yensa be kan positive words eguso na ayedwuma ma yenti internet stable be stable nya wo ho akokonsasem bia wo ho yo la Patrick na abrebia ye di sa adwumadie eba na ye pese ye hu se na ayem bia na otwa ye twa ye hu si to ye de be bibi potin bi akoso ewo fie kese mu na meka fie kese ana chese ye home office se aban hye mra bia omo nso omo implement sa emra no ewo mudwumedie mu no yem bia omo bibia ti omo ho kenya bibibi aba system ne mu all of a sudden na ye pese yeti ana ne me patra ne say do we have any update at all in the system within the week that we are gathering today again no bibi aba betumi ene aboboso se bibi amba yenso a na yenko yenim.
Right, Manye, yes. Sanya was summon app no exactly. So, adeɛ kye na yɛsɛ yɛante asɛm foforɔ a, na kyerɛ sɛ, ɛkame a yɛsɛ ewiase bɛsɛe.
Sir.
But yɛn nyinaa yɛnim on this platform and the other platforms and also sɛ de biara yɛba with regards to UK immigration law no, it seems that every single day biara no biribi foforɔ bi ɛba. And as much as possible no yɛba what we try to do no say the aba ɛyɛ very important ɛbɛboa your community no yɛ try say yɛbɛma community no so ayɛ aware na ɔmode etu anamo nti yes biribi aba and biribi na aba no ɛnyɛ biribi a ɛyɛ biribi sonko but ɛho hia deɛ nti a meka sɛ ɛnyɛ sonko no sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ye face dada but now no home office face the reality and omo feel say very important say wɔn bɛma clients sɛ meka clients a mo yɛ application ɛde akɔ home office for hɔ no mo yɛ ɔmo clients a sɛbe mo yɛ application akɔ nti no mo kɔ tɔ ɔmo service and they are rendering service to mo so nti no sɛ biribi te kyima wɔ baabi a na ɛho bɛhia sɛ ombetimi amamo aye aware and eno na sabre home office for aba abonten se ombema mo a maye applications e de akọ no aye aware the reasons why delay ewo application no decision making anymore enti yen nyina nim se covid by and then it created a backlog serious one because na home office for was staff shortage and our face so call off sick people are call down with COVID and the rest of them. Inti enunu nyina create a huge backlog na home office for air try say gradually no ombetimi are getting on top of things na oma clear sa backlog no. Now, omukusu a omo ye no yenim se sa backlog no create delays bebree. Emma bebree na applications e could deal for a very long time. Ebi empo da so wo sabre a ye kasai. And then yanka bi anhyem na Ukraine so ababeka ho. Ye nyina yenim se home office usually uye entry clearance application from outside the UK e dia ba UK a. Now, decision making time no started from usually when you make your application now akobo no. Then it would take 12 weeks for them to decide your application na omama emuaye with the COVID no emasa time we no ebetwe call na chire kakra including more even more in country application more application within the UK itself no mo decision making time no ebe drag on and ebe drag on no COVID ababitwam they are trying to resolve it and Ukraine so aba Ukraine dey ba a humanitarian issue and UK no who say omo wo obligation under international law say omo so betimi aye omo afamu de na omo boa Ukraine for wo situation a omo wo mu sisia no nti what UK is done ne say omo ma Ukraine for priority nti omo ye applications e dey free Ukraine ababe bo omo ho adwa wo UK no sabre home office for ama omo priority a womo na ye dikan ahwe omo kane enu nti home office say yamayensa so first no nanka wo ye application a yes 12 weeks mo ye in country applications no nanka ye standard time ye ka say ye de be hwem applications no 6 months now mo ye from outside no almost standard time of 12 weeks to decide your applications no sabre no omuntimi emmiti sa standard no ebium de omu betimi aye ne se sa 12 weeks no ombe move e de akọ 24 weeks into 12 weeks 3 months so no you're having to wait for up to about 6 months ansana watimi enya decision say why marriage and answer family life application obi a why application as a spouse over UK and also say as a child oba abe join o parent and also oba join one parent ewa ha no under appendix FM no mu nyina no sa applications no nyina no omo move standard time no from 12 weeks to 24 weeks. Decision making time no will start from when you do your biometrics. Into say submit your application online ube book appointment to go to a visa center. Na wakwa ye o fingerprint. Usually you say with Ghana no ye de no e moving pick. Into you call moving pick e da ube call moving pick. Na wakwa submit o biometrics no ye o fingerprint no. That is when the Home Office no will begin to consider your application whether or not say a warranty say ye be maw visa na waba krom ha na say debi. Inti yen hye no nso. Mo ye application no in country no say na me kan ye no. Before no na ye nim say the standard time no abro so a 6 months. Then you begin to chase them up. Say no, ade no ya ache anase ache dodo inti ye maw decision. What we know ne say at the moment since COVID by Home Office force say no, sa standard time no it doesn't apply anymore. It is a way application. Na sa application no were connotations of your friend is saying Article 8 and also family life ewo mu a almost a standard time no apply. Into typical example, uyo obi a owo akwala or British citizen ewo krom ha. Into why your application for 2.5 years leave to remain based on sa akwala no. Application no kwa usually no you raise bibia your friend no Article 8 family life with sa child no. Home Office the almost can say no. The standard time for making decision na 6 months na you name no sa time no sisi ano eni hobim. Into your application there's no standard waiting time. There's no standard waiting time. Into ebetimi take some time. In fact, almost from 11 months going, ebetimi take a longer time than that. And omo enyina so nyina no principle bi a ya setting wo case bi a ye friend no FH and others 2007 case bi. Na the na omo can say yes. Say Home Office for your application at the cohort judge and say yes. Home Office for share ne asudie say omutimi decided with case within a reasonable time. But so reasonable time it doesn't mean say as I say Home Office for a decided application speedily. Into no more reasonable time as I say omutimi decided with application but enye bibia echese womo ye no speedily into no a case by case basis any circumstance and a betre said the why ye ebia you betimi aye decision within 1 month you betimi aye decision within 12 months you betimi aye decision within 6 months a case by case any circumstance and a betre into yen kan hu say standard time no anyhow again the priority service na ye nyina enim se ubetimi atua bibi kakra e de aka application fee ne ho na Home Office etimi ama decision time no again and also so because of Ukraine you know omo suspend this services ne nyina tena we application say open in term even though why ahoboa say ubetua sa fee no na wanya decision no enimanimu ya no Oma yi sa your friend is saying express service no enso so e de free nti nya de a eno so ubetimi e ti na chese uhwemu a twa na esese otwen kakra na unya decision every Home Office at the time omo betimi a make it decision no. Having said that no ye di we hu nkomo pen and Home Office for so ya aware the omo can say say uwo bibia extremely compassionate any compelling circumstance ubetimi aka kire omo na oma expedite wo application. It's on this platform, any the other platforms, you're discussing how ubetimi are requested for the Home Office to expedite your application. Now, anopeya says ye quickly, ye more one or two bisu sebeya a tier for ye bet jage mo memory, not my aware say. Even though Ukraine ababeya coincidie edia mayen, na COVID so edine de aka hono. Still, say uwo eye bibia eye compelling na eye compassionate ubetimi ama Home Office ejina so aye application no ama on time. Number 1, ebia we bereaved anase wenye yi o maame o papa obi awu inti esese wo ko back home wo ko country of origin anase ba bia wo free na wo kokoboa na wo ye yi wo kokra odehye nachi wo kokra o maame nachi wo kokra papa nachi wo saa situation ni mu a ubetimi akire se Home Office expedite application no emfama se ye ka sebi enye ya no keke ene de ka eye evidence based nti se wokofa poster keke a udin wo so se obituary ye ka enkwala udin wo so ye hu ufotokra ka ho bia eno no is not sufficient. Number 1, ubehia the death certificate of this person odebeye ubehia bibia ekirese one saa nipa kro no more relationship. So for instance, oye ba you may need a birth certificate ekirese maami papai oye wo maami anase ebia oye asew oyire anase wukunu ena ne ho kani bi anase ne dihye bi aka baabi enti esese mokọ osusu betimi a kirese maami papai ne papa ne maami ni oye ba birth certificate death certificate mo marriage certificate ekirese mo aware anase bibi ekirese mo relationship mo ebedi adanse enu ntino esese mokọ Ghana. Apart from that, ebia na yare bie abawa anase obi yare a esese immediately utimi kọ for a medical emergency. Eno so betimi agina so edea ebisa Home Office for say omo expedite application no emfama. So these are few examples ubetimi agina so ebisa Home Office say on expedite application no. Normally you can say ubetimi akọ OMP ho. I'm afraid yes OMP no ukwa on said that no to me or koshe Home Office say chiachin omunye decision no enene ochina no nti yem bear that in mind. OMP no entimi nkoyesa nemom sene eniema amabobo so ebi wo wasetena mu anase wo saa situation mu na wo de kodan eye wo MP na MP no betu ho anamon na Home Office ebisa for evidence no na ye de account ye de ni nyina akoma Home Office na wo magina so etimi make sure say on be expedite application no e de amount nti no manye this is where we are with your update no ne your applications are akoche wo Home Office no nti TF4 ne your clients mo nhye no nso enye boapayo ene enim se Home Office so enye boapayo na emom COVID ena sisi asoso Ukraine ena ama yababedu baby a yedui nti ye nyina yem bear with them because for instance more assistant dada na mo koje extension no so we your application no in time o card no se ewu kra na o leave no enwu ye because bibi wo ye Immigration Act na se a ye frɛ no section 3C eba wo ho ban extend o leave no up until such time Home Office for ebe make a decision into wa ha bibia na wo ye bia dadada ansa na o submit your application no ubetimi aye saa nema no nyina ubetimi aye adwuma ubetimi a rent bibia wo ye bia ubetimi aye de untimi ye eye bia ekwantu a ubetu na eno so se wo tu saa kwan no for pleasure o ko holiday ene saa nema na me pacho Home Office for entimi ngina eno so expedite application no nti pacho yen hye no nso manye
Yo, Lawyer Patrick, medasi. Nchechemwe dia obesi ye dia no cry your topic and you. Yeah, because my name say you treating pain few weeks ago why our documentation keep this long time home office no, but no a different version kra na che say and some nyina kopi home office almost so and he say sa Ukraine and na metie wo baby na obi bisa say na say yen de yeti mu dada yen ne ya application dada nti adan ka Ukraine for de na metoto ase na yen de nde nim nti yen sa yen first ansa na Ukraine nanso omo na omo de omo man omo na omo de omo ho na omo say na omo pese omo ye no lawyer Patrick edase wacheche mu internet say wonye yie bi ben wo pa na utumi etro eka ho de call na saa ba bia o kan say yen MPs na ya na ekohu omo na omo enka ya asem ne bi mayen no na che say omo asem no de wo besie waka de na still mmuaye no ebefi home office omo ye omo afim but eno nkyere say chinchine chi a wanya kantina or say home office edema omo nso omo dwuma omo ye eboa in a way but not necessarily so kan ya na enu nti na ye de amount there be enti no lawyer Patrick yedase nti ene no se ne ebe kono no we de mema we twa ne tia so ehu ade no mema we twa ne tia na ya ma afrefo no afre no more na afei we be se ebe part 1 and 2 because our topic emudo ekwetiri pa questions ebeba wo ho na edoso yenkoso etiefo meda mo nyina ase munhye na enko na me hu target bi a me ma lawyer Patrick enkase bi because I know most of you are really yearning to listen to how you be able to get a permanent stay or whatever status here if you come in as a tourist or visitor no kwan be na obefa so minim enti mesra monhyɛ ma me misi menya target na lawyer Patrick yapon ye ko but mo ho don't ne ye wa ha no monso monkyerɛ yɛn dɔ na monhyɛ program nti Ruta Sare nyame nhyira ya sɛ wa nyame nhyira ifia gold ne de mate unde wa ha nyame nhyira wa tiliduma Tilly Mills honestly good morning everyone Prince Osebonso good morning Prince Osebonso say thank you very much nature say or that lawyer Patrick as say any nkyerɛkyerɛ de ama no dodo na no applications akyɛ wɔ home office na sisi amohu nie nti Ukraine and tokwe na abe counterfeit bibia counter cross bibia na mom shedding still they are working on it nyame aduma Sunday my investigation be never be training Sunday it was our home office omo senior omo responding to omo applications no na ye can say edwuma applications na ye adults na omo hwe kwan omo be fa so omo respond obia na emo ebeche no makwa hu se omo can say vacancies home office or vacancies wo website no so opese okoye adwuma wo ho kwanda ho ensuro apply ukwa training na ebe train ye train wa na put you to a session a obetumi ene omo aye adwuma enti no no nso ye adwuma advert ama home office free ope adwuma a wonim computer mu yi utumi tro no ma say you have that skills but modern com website no mo adwuma bebre e wo ho no you lawyer Patrick me da ase yenko so yekofa ba yenye hu se edodo na obia ebefi ye nkromu especially Africa ba UK ha or ba as a visitor or say oh me be dey 1 week me be dey 2 weeks we dey macha ne busumi na che say ya ka ne be de wo honom na eba kakra bi na 1 week 2 weeks ne 3 weeks no omutumi di so na omusan akọ dodo na nso majority nso na eba ene obehu se ne amframa ne mo ode na nkrofo ekoba na chese obi ade time ye adwuma no si kai me kwa do sa ade we bi me nso mentene mu na menhwe ne emeye obehu na obi aye overstay obehu na obi say ni say na we are not talking about overstayers but ye can say nyame ya wadom na waba kromu ha as a visitor and I say the tourist visa ne ba ya kwan ben so na ubetumi afa na what na ha afibo and I say when you permanent stay and I remain in the UK permanently na me bisa saade we no minim say kwan different wo ho eno ntina na ya twe yen papa lawyer Patrick na ɔmbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn kwan a yɛbɛfa so. Megye di sɛ ɛbɛboa wo kwan bebree. Me sɛ ɛbɛboa me nti na m'ano ayɛ den pae na wobɛhu sɛ menum tea deɛ nso m'ano ayɛ den. Mesrɛ mo monhyɛ program ne ma me. Patrick Ejari Agri Finn see looking very beautiful Manyete. Lawyer Patrick, you look sharp. Yeah, that's it. But message no ya dia tum na mum share ma me why. Se si a obi share me ho nti won share ya me ho say won share ye. Nti mon share ma me nyesa mo a mon share nyina me yin we free. So Lawyer Patrick, but me ma me kasa ye tentin. I'm so excited about this particular topic and nti no me nsem bisa how can I remain in the UK permanently if I arrive here with a visit or a tourist visa? Lawyer Patrick,
okay. Right, manye, medawase, and etifo nyina yesa mamu nyina akwaba. This is a very, very important topic because most of the time, majority of the time, ye nuanoma ye ba nyina obi e ba, the idea is me ba visit. But ubedu abrochire a enye UK nko a, Germany, America, Canada, and continent na ehwa akoye o de kakra. Nti abusuafo kra na wokosra wo mo a abrochire ni denti na ya kamia ye se o ya aka ho. Nti ube meko back 6 months. Na wadi 1 month. Meko back 6 months. Na wadi 3 months. Ube huwa na 6 months visa na ye dema ono. Na aso. Na afedi ye. Weni ya ututo. Menko na mentina. Na unhu diye sesa uye. Eventually no. Na we decide say bebia abebetobia no eye mproyem. Nti no mentina ahasusu saa. Ahasusu ye kru. Even though unihwe wa ha na ebia Ghana na ufri a nka wo bibi oho no. Na watena sesa na utim na afi unhu kwan a obefa so a obetimi atena ha legally na ye problem. And that is why yehwe say uyo obi a waba ha with a visit visa and say ne moka no a tourist visa na wabetena ha e kwan ben so na obefa obetimi atena krom ha. You divide the way into 2 categories. Inti yebehwe eye EU law. Even though yenim se ene no ye free eye European Union no emra na ye de ye adwuma nkasa no de still ewo ho. Inti se o follow under that category na se emra no apply you can still rely on the law no to make an application here in the UK or from Ghana kra. Inti yebehwe no now, under the UK immigration law, your domestic law na nkasa no so no. You have provisions ene enema ewo ho a ebetimi ama watena krom ha. Wa bra untu wo nan free ha na oba ha as a visitor ebesra bia ebusuafo anase ahokafo bi. Nti eno ni mienu na ye hwe. Nti yemfa EU de no first. Ye free EU no mu, but sane me kan no emra no eda so ye adwuma. Nti EU ye free mu ya make provisions under the withdrawal agreement. Say uyo bia uye family member no ye can't close family members. Uye family member still ubetimi make application. This is so far as said o form a relationship no before the relevant date. Relevant date no 31st December 2020. Until by that time no now a form a relationship still ubetimi rely on EU law e dia backroom ha. And also says what backroom ha now EU family member no or a relevant EU citizen again ubetimi aye application. This is what it is. Samobe Kaya back in September 10th 2021 Home Office for ayen satraye kakra ewo womo your friend is saying emra na eboye ho ban no efa eye emra eboye ho ban that included enema bi a efa EU for ho eye HC 617 sa HC 617 no Home Office for ede ade bi be hye mu a na eye sronko for eye EU for de omo be hye mu no se oye EU ni abusuani na wa maha with family permit but wo ba ha with a visitor's visa. Inti ukunu wa ha, oyire wa ha. Instead se obeye family permit application wanye. Obabi wa ha, instead se obeye family permit application wanye. Ena oje visitor's visa ena ode baye. The Home Office eka wasa eye nsachaya omuye enimu in the HC 617 ba September 10th 2021 and it said so we sa nipa kro na ubetimi aye application under the EU settlement scheme na ya ma wasetena ama watena ekrom ha nti whynom and ye close family members ya ye kan mo ho asem. Number 1 said ya mekan no oye yere. Number 2 oye ba. Number 3 oye nana nkansoa. Saafo ni nyina no mubetimi still my application because with saafo no especially maame nananom ne saafo ni nyina no mumu relationship ne de e wo ho dada enya afi na ye be form e wo ho mo establish dada obi a obefiri ma ba bia no so etoa saa generation no so nti won form na emom obi a uye kunu ene eyire de esese na wa form relationship no before the relevant date na maboso no to be able to take advantage of this very particular emre ya ken obesu wo ho a na untimi nkyere se nipa yi waware no but more durable relationship emu yenim se ye krom no ya ware no da bia ya kyerkyere mu se edanso nti ebia wantu anamon emfiri ha anko Ghana anko ware ohukani no na emom uma ebusua ye nhyehyɛ ɛna yɛgye na ware ewo fie kama ɛne edema wo ya ware no ɛsom yɛbo customary marriage sɛ uwie a aban a ɛwɔ Ghana ɛnhyɛw sɛ koye registration certificate na faka saa aware no ho daabi meka sɛ ebia na maami papai wone natena emfie bebre wo Ghana ansa na mpo ebia woko Italy Spain Germany na wa free Germany Italy ni Spain e dia ba krom ha nti before no na mo wo durable relationship mo durable relationship no kura mu no so no makura asa free mu aba wo bibia otumi de kire se meni bra yawo meni bra kojo yawo ma mpo wo Ghana ansa na otu anamo e dia kɔ eye amanone but bia na mo nware esono mu amaware e na bia de mo nware ye no mu amaware ne de se wonje eye certificate because Ghana ban enhye wo no na afei na bia wahu se opese oba abrochire na obeka ohukani nsa enti opese okọ register waware na again Ghana mra no ensi hu kwan se okoji eye registration certificate edidi adanse se ampa se waware because the emrane kan se moye customary marriage ni wie a enhye ni ho na emom se mumu baako ana mumu mienu no mpo se mo amofri mu pemu na mo ba na mo se mo pese mo register saa aware na Ghana ban se obe register aware ne de amount se all register aware ne de amount eye niema mienu ene ta si ewo marriage certificate no so ana se registration certificate na ye de ma no eye niema mienu date mienu ene ya appear. The first date no eye date mo yes ha aware na nkasa ewo fie nti yamfa ne se ohukani uhun no 2007 ena mutena ase eka abusua bomu ena mo ware ye gi efia ware ye ene ye de ma no 2007 no because emra no nhye wo saa time no nti no mo anko KMA AMA ene municipal assemblies no biamu anko register aware no nanso so no mo ya awarefo esanse Ghana mra egi customary marriage no etum nti mo ya awarefo mo te se awarefo ansa na ohukani ebia wo tu kwan ene akwanya aba esese obeka nensa nti wakọ KMA AMA mene mehukani Brian ene oti UK ya ware ye 2007 nemum esanse na emra ne nhye yense esese ye register ya ware ni nti no ye ni bibia edi adanse se 2007 no ye ware ye enei maba me pese mo ma me adansedie krata edi adanse se me ne bra ya ye ware ye 2007 a bepemu nei iguso a ye ware se wo KMA na wo kogye saa adansedie krata na me pa chow date na wo de ware ye no esono eno ene sono date a eye KMA fo ene EMA fo omo stamp esi so edi adanse se ampa se 2007 no o ware ye ni mienu no nsunsuye dem nti de hia kese titire se wo ye application na eye date na mo ware ye no date a ebusua no tena ase na ye kire ade na ye gie aware no saa date no na ye hwe nti so long as saa date no eye before the relevant date no yes ubetimi aye wa application no na waba beka ukunu nensa eno na ye hwe se application no kwa majority of the time no home office for no share date of registration no the air can say a wrong your friend is saying assessment of a year dissolution a year customary marriage certificate no a wrong assessment of sa certificate no say omobe share a year registration date no the relevant data ye didi asem no a date na aware no course no in this instant case no you say a 2007 and am warrior into say 2007 there na ubetimi adi adanse say ampase before a year free a EU num no na one ohukani na maware under ye Ghana customer marriage na ye gitum ewo Ghana na UK for so e de ahye omomremu se Ghana anase krona ye gi saa ware no wo so no se omogitum dia ene saa ware no so ba UK a yen UK for yes so ye beji atum. So that is for those of you are mawaria manji certificate na nei moye moadwen se mo pese mo koji certificate na mo beka mo hokani a owo ehanonsa. Now with a durable partner no again home office for e dia ba be share eye annex 1 definition of eye omo wo ho kwan a e betimi afre omo family members ni mu. Nti say we a durable partner, we a spouse, we obi a we a civil partner. Mu nyina no mu betimi aya application. Ena omo the definition no aba be share appendix EU annex 1 definitions ni mu. Nti ya wo honom. Now, we a durable partner under EU law no. It is not defined. It is not defined. It is not defined. But UK for mra wo ho a o mahyehyɛ. Na durable partner no asechire nyina ne se uni obi a oye wo ho kani munware ye na mom mote te se awarefo etebia pepepe tie bi kra na ye ka se me di kan no ebi a mawo emma kra ma motena bomu adadada ansa na ye maami ye papai o free Ghana e de tukwan akọ amanone nti na mo wo saa relationship no mu ansa na okọ a wa free ho e de aba abedu eye UK say ye hwe case bi a ye frɛ no eye YB any your friend saying UK for YB proper approach a ye did define a durable partner na EU for emra no ekere say enye inhye ye kete say UK for ebeye say esese oni nipa no atena for a year 2 years because under yenye domestic law no the definition of a partner under gen 1.2 no obi a wone na ware ananso ye wo civil partner ananso say oni natena in a relationship akin to marriage for 2 years ubetimi a demonstrate ananso ubetimi a evidence most of the time no ye hia say ubetire bibi eye enkratasem anase bibisa ekyerese ampase motimi atena for 2 years na odi aya application EU mrane se eno no enye defined into the UK kano enye ade a eye determinative no the esese utimi kire a ebe kire se wo saa ni pay mo durable relationship no per the case here ya site ene se mo live together in a relationship akin to marriage ana mo sa couple mo intention say mo be live together permanently and na face so moye couple a munye blood related not just say munye ebusuafo. And then the last thing, any previous relationship break it down any hobby nti wo papa wo mami say bia na mo relationship bumi a sa relationship no break it down nti enema fo a mabobo so ya the case of YB set edema ye no umiti sa enema no nyina but just for your own peace of mind sebe ya ubetimi enya bibia ubegina so emu eden no yes so what unini panatna for 2 years na nya hampo na matna na mo matna Ghana for some time na America no na mo durable relationship na wo bibia ubetimi edi adanse a yes provided nti for instance me kan ye one na wo nti mo birth certificate wo ho a enkwalai wo maame din wo so wo papa din wo so a ekyerese mo mienu na mawo nkwalai me kan say bia na nkwala no kra wo madi 5 years 10 years ansana ye papa yi o free Ghana watu kwan ebia na mo wo statement bi anase electricity bills bi da electricity company for die mo wo bia mo fie ho mo mienu mu din wo so binim se Ghana de oti compound house bill no eba wo fie ru adim na ya cheche ne kakrakra but bia na wo ankasa nyame aye wadoma na wo baby enti no electricity ne ba eba wo ne madam din mu anase eba wo ne daddy din mu enti mu wo saa nema nkitinkiti bi wo ho a mu betimi de a kire se ampase namote etise awarefo ansana otu kwan mu betimi de saa nema ne nyina aka ho de a kire se mu wo durable relationship mu anase na mu wo durable relationship mu ansana ye free EU no mu so betimi a kire saa yes akwanya wo ho a ubetimi ya application na ososo ya mawo asetena ebia na enye saa netie na emom ohun kani tama owo Spain no obefa o ma okọ Spain anaso obefa o ma okọ Italy ena na mote ho ekwan baaye ena ono nko free Spain ena ode ba ha okọ Spain okọ Italy no ye ma sojourno anaso ye ma okata sojourno ntina wote ho but unya akwanya ma ha ena ya shut door no nti ayeden se obeba ha ena waduadue mu because se ohukani wa hanti no waje visitors visa se oba ensrahwe ewo krom ha waba abedu krom ha oba ha esiso aha ba be ye ode eja ompe ho asem se obefiri ha na obi ede osekan edwa nanka nti ubedu ye usi no metena ha na me hukani no yetimi abobra no ede akoye nim se wo ye saa nipa kro na again ubetimi aye application na home office for ama assistant under ye EU law no na so utimi ene ohokani no matimi atena krom ha ni nyina no de ye kan evidence based nti ubetimi a kire say mo ware a yes o marriage certificate no very important in fact baby a namote no say na mo nyina motibo mo address ba koso nti mu won krata electricity bill gas bill water bill abrochire de bibia ye krata sem nti bank statement ni ade a ebetimi adi adanse ni nyina wo ho a yes betimi ni nyina kan bom na wadi adanse se ampa oni wukunu na mote ansa na oba ha oba visit opese oni ne tena ha nti ye ma kwan na tena ha so wo saa nema na oba ha ade ba akopɛ na wohia se obekire resident oba ye ebia na wenya one proof of address bibia ewo wudi mu wakọ register GP enye GP na wa register ebia watimi abie bank account anaso se tenancy agreement papa no ana maame ne to no ode udin ato so since oba ye nti bibi wo ho a edi adanse se ampase waba beka eye nkani eho ewa hanum na muti kroma se wabeka no ho saade a obetimi aye application under EU settlement scheme no na ososo yama leave to remain ewo kroma na one ho kani no atena. Now moving on, say yaka EU for de no dia ene na yenhwe under your domestic law no say obi abaha as a visitor and as a tourist sa ni pakro no say koba say on pese obesan ko na chi a ekwan ben so na ono so obetimi afa so na watena kroma permanently ekwan no edoso yemobo bi so na yenhwe nti oba as a visitor oba no na uni susie bi se obetena ha ena oba ye ebia ubenya ohokani bi ena ohokani kikri ena nyinsen akwa free mu ede aba nyinsen nti wantimi anko back ena watena ha nyinsen so yanyim no sebe 9 months eko nti no nyame aye wadom wasoa wo kama ohun kani ya wobenya anu so nyame adom na oye a oye settled ewa ha nti me ka obi a oye British and also wo indefinite leave to remain or settled status under the immigration rules no and I say appendix EU no nti no ye wo akwala no pe no UK mra no say na ne ho na wofo no mu baako eye settled wa ha ene na ye wo sa akwala no automatically no oye British citizen ye mra no so kire se wo krom ha na oni akwala oye settled and I say oye qualifying child ewo eye relationship so oni ni wo relationship a ubetimi agina saa akwala no so e de aye wo application nti ye qualifying child no eye hwan ya qualifying child eye obi a yama no eye British citizenship and I say yama no British passport obi a ye wo no na wofo no mu baako eye settled nti empo ubetimi se wonje passport na wo birth certificate any bibi a chese papa no ana maame no na oye settled ewo krom ha enhia se obekwa akwaje British passport no ansa na ode aka ho yenhye no nso se obetimi a chese akwala yi ne birth certificate e chese o papa na esimesi o maame na esimesi maami papa oye settled you don't need to wait to get the British passport to make the application. No. Uwa birth certificate no any papa no anase maame status na ubetimi agina so na wa your application na yama asesena wo kroma. What you need to prove na say oni akola no a relationship. Akola ya won foforo de on starting school but wako GP our red health book you recording the bibia wom. Ebia na papa kra won no wo ye maame a won no wo ye wa abandon sa akwala no amasisia no wo sole parental responsibility for this child entino sa akwala no ubetimi agina no so na wa your application na ya ma 2.5 years leave to remain. Now this is the catch as well, because yes sole parent na ebia because of child care enti wonye adwuma no emra no so ema ho kwan ema ubetimi aye a fee waiver application. So it doesn't matter say owo asitna anawu ni asitna. So long as you have a family life with this child no. Ubetimi aye a fee waiver application. Na wasre home office say yes, uwa akwala oye settled. Ana uwa akwala oye a qualifying child. Because of child care ntino onye adwuma. Ana because of immigration situation ntino onye adwuma. But opese wo your application. Na woni sika o de beye. Nti home office for emphasa sika na esese nka wutua ka no omo emfa nchew na emma wo ho kwan na untimi exercise eye emra na yabo ato ho no ususu untimi take advantage of sa emra no se oye wo niema yie na oboabo niama no kama na wo de kwa yes utibetimi ayeye ema home office for ama fee waiver na wagina so e de aye application for 2.5 years no ebiso a na wo ye papa ena woni maami a oye settled awo kroma oba visit ena woni na abenya afru na mawo kroma ebia mpapamu aba but mpapamu ne baaye no still oni wo mo e wa assistant pa entino obey utimi ekohwe no eye bibia maami no enemo wa assistant pa nti wo family life with this child but wo direct access maami no ma ho kwan ma wo kohwe oba bia akwala no on soon school going age but utumi kosra wo mo kogigi akwala e maame no so ne ho tumi ehenha no se adwuma kra na okwa utumi kotena eboa e ma ohwe saa ne nyina no betumi aboa wo so a oba se o ba visit na mom watumi abenya akwala wo ha ama wo so watumi aye application relying on that child. Ebia wo so na wo EU ni akwala o papa abefa no afri Ghana na EU akwalai obaye yama no eye indefinite leave to remain ana yama no limited leave to remain ena obesra no ebimpo a na wo company saa akwala no na wo de ne bae because wo ye maame no oji visitors visa ena wo de akwala no free Ghana e de bae se oba abetena o papa nkyɛn uba ye papa esese nka ogye akwala no mpofiri ma o se daabi mintimi anya akwala ne brim nti akwala no aba abeka oso ɛna wo ne akwala yi tie wo ne akwala no ɛwɔ family life wo ne wɔ relationship ubetimi a demonstrate sa wo saa nipa yi osusu ubetimi agina saa akwala no so na waye application again obi a oba as a visitor wabɛhyia ohokani na waba bɛhyia no ɛno nti wantimi ankɔ ɛna mabo abɛware usually sɛ wobɛhyia ohokani wɔ ha na woyɛ a visa national na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ application the requirement ne sɛ bibi potin bia ni mabrabɔ mu a ɛno nti no yɛbɛtimi agyina so na yɛyisu exceptions no ɛde ahwɛ sɛ montena krom ha na monware maware ne ma won krata ɛsɛ sɛ wokɔ back to Ghana anase wo country of origin na wokɔyɛ application ansa na waba back but sɛ oba ye ohukani a wobɛhyia no nti a wantimi ankoi yɛmfa no sɛ ɔyɛ maame nti oba ye na ɔwɔ sɛbe ne nkwala dada ɔno ɔmote a ɔmoyɛ qualifying children ɛna oba ye ma form relationship ɛna waba bɛka no ho na wo ne te sɛ wo ne saa nipa kro no te a na wo ne nkwala a ɔmoyɛ qualifying children a ɔne maame ɛwɔ hɔ yi wo ne ɔmo ɛwɔ yɛ family life wo ne ɔmo wɔ relationship nti family life no betimi a demonstrate no by showing sɛ nkwala yi nkwala a ɔmo aso school kɔ a bia maame papa yi ɔde wo din akɔ akɔto school mu sɛ oyɛ emergency contact nti wobɛware maame ana papa yi a definition of a parent no under your immigration rules no na yɛde waba abɛka ho nti woyɛ step parent and woyɛ parent so to say nti sɛ yɛde wobɛka ho a ɛne na wowɔ family life a ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi demonstrate sa nti ebi a nkwala yi sukuu kuro mu sɛ sometimes maame antimi ne wɔn ankɔ a ona wode nkwala no kɔ wode wɔn kɔ a school for yɛ aware sɛ yes woyɛ step parent but wode wɔn ba wo number wɔ hɔ nti biribi ni na sɛ yɛntimi amfrɛ ɛyɛ maame anaa papa a wo na yɛfrɛ wo ɛma wotumi kɔ gyina mu wo ne wɔn kɔ after school club wode wɔn kɔ park McDonald's ɛne saa nneɛma nyinaa woyɛ ne nyinaa de ma nkwala yi but sɛbe ɔmo nyɛ wo biological children they don't need to be so long as sɛ only the other parent na ɔno ɛna yɛ biological no a formal relationship no then ɛho nhia sɛ wobɛkɔ back to Ghana na wakɔakɔyɛ application sɛ montena for 2 years a wobɛtumi show sɛ mo wɔ durable relationship mu a then the advice is ɛsɛ sɛ mo ware na munya adansidi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ moyɛ awarefoɔ na saa awareɛ no ehia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana ansa na wakɔyɛ na waba wobɛtumi ayɛ customary marriage ɛwɔ Ghana nti wakra wabusuafoɔ sɛ yɛnkɔgye Cynthia ɛho adeɛ ɛmfama yakɔyɛ ne ho adeɛ kama yɛde certificate no every Ghana ɛde abrɛ wobɛtumi agyina saa certificate no so na wode ayɛ wo application wɔ abrɛ a ehia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana nti wo susu yɛ obi a wobɛtumi agyina saa adeɛ no so na watumi atena krom ha apart from that sɛ nyɛ saa na ti a na ebi a wawo krom ha wo yɛ susu no akwala no ni hwee papa so a wo ne wo yɛ na ebi a na ɔno susu ani hwee sɛbe nti matena krom ha for 7 years ɛnɛ yɛnim sɛ UK aban ehu yɛ mɔbɔ wayɛ nsakyerɛyɛ ɛwɔ mmara ne mu nti wo akwala na ɔtena for the first 7 years of the life a mmara no ma ho kwan sɛ akwala no kora no obetumi anya indefinite leave to remain nti sɛ akwala no nya indefinite leave to remain a wabɛyɛ akwala a ɔyɛ a qualifying child saa akwala no so no obetumi agyina akwala no so na osusu watumi ayɛ w application na watena ekrom ha sɛ nyɛ saa na ebi a woyɛ obi a osusu wabɛtena krom ha yenim sɛ ɛnɛ yɛ piapia ma ne kɔ 20 years into 20 years no your application under the provisions of your private life no na nka ye 276 no sesia no yenim se yeyi e de akọ ye private life nti no what now 20 years osusu no ubetimi aye application no aka se in fact what now for all of these years no nti no ye ma wo ho kwan na etena krom ha manye
yes.
These are some of the routes nipa dodoɔ na aba as visitors no wɔn bɛtumi afa so na wɔtumi ama wɔn asetena mu wɔ kuroma no ayɛ legal sɛ ebi a woyɛ nana ɛna wɔbaayɛ a again because sɛ woyɛ yɛfrɛ no sɛn adult dependent family ne nti no sɛ british ni maame na wɔbɛsra no a ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ difficult but sɛ EU foɔ maamefoɔ wabɛsra oba wabɛsra obi a ɔyɛ EU ni ɛna wofiri sɛ mo wɔ familiar relationship nti woyɛ maame woyɛ papa wobɛsra yɛ wopɛ sɛ wotena kurom a yes akwanya wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi ayɛ application na one ɛyɛ EU family member no mɔtumi atena kurom ha manyɛ.
And some way, dear, we best say afro me. Lawyer Patrick, yeah, that's what church move fit my yatias. Questions are me bound say me by beside na me one what is watch him or me one watch him or me one watch him or na akaya mreka kra. Me kase me beside near matro non so a hana one sharp ye beji afa. Maybe back wherever no, I'm going to open the phone lines. Say, oh, question be now person beside T for national for. Medamo nyinaa ase nso sɛ maba line no so pɛ sɛ obisa mɛma ho kwan na wafrɛ na webisa. It could be sɛ nsɛm dɛdɛɛde a abɛken ɛnyɛ no mpo ho na wopɛ sɛ obisa kwan ɛda hɔ ɛne nti ne ɛwɔ ha no na sɛ wopɛ sɛ obisa nsɛmsɛm nso a Lawyer Patrick de abɛgu void so wopɛ sɛ obisa mo ho nsɛm a ɛno nso akwanya ɛwɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi ebisa na mekɔ yen adofo a kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ɛma comment contribute wɔ hɔ no nso no mehu sɛ yɛn nua bɛrima bi ɔde prince ɔsɛɛbo nso na ɔpa kyerɛ sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔno nso ba aburokyire no bi na ɔkɔbɔɔ so sɛ nka ne sika yɛ ready nti no ɔpɛ kwan bi so bɛm sɛ obi abɛ reply me sɛ BWF Solicitors they yenye connection because obi ka say misika ye ready bo amena membra brochura na je say ope connection the word that me using quote connection kwan bi na je say connect no. Yes, they can connect you, but not in terms of the word connection. They will connect you by telling you the right thing to do. What to do obetumi dia babrotre. And yes, you can call BWF Solicitors. Nebi somo kwan bia obebisa question kakra ebia wo adwuma bi a eye adwuma poten a woye ana obetumi aba vacation. Abrochre ba no bibia nsi ye ho kwan o unless bia on hihye ohihye onneoma yi nti no obi wa ahoma ne so yemfa odofo a otie yen pacho ye fra wo se na okasa friend pacho bisa wasem ne enko Professor wo ho a manin call loud kakra ma menti why ene yenya technical issues kakra ti mo fa nche yen yenya yen phone lines no aye bibia wo ho na em say na studio no nkrofo lan omo change omo wiring tem say aka yen so yen telephone lines no ntem yesremo mfa but you can send up say wo friend na go tra send a voice note and I say friend number way 075 966 2051 for patro friend just on WhatsApp friend number way 075 966 2051 patcho friend WhatsApp nkwa na ofre wo ho a metumi apiki wo ho mesrew na yenko yenim na yemre na aka no esua na Lawyer Patrick nso ntumi enkoto a edwuma pa o moye wo office ho enti no medals the first or say good morning Lawyer Patrick and all BWF Solicitors. May God Almighty God bless you. Lawyer Patrick yenhwe o kasa no so be the question about me nhwe na yenhwe o say my name is Or see, so if a child's mother, question me read the no. Once I'm reading that, let me remind you again. You can call the numbers. The first two numbers we having problems with it, so call WhatsApp only on 075 966 20154. It's on the screen. Call this number only on WhatsApp 075 966 20154. Call it and then we can get through to you. So let me read the question posed by a pa echo. Or see, so if a child's mother had pre-settled status under the EU settlement, pamucho me see friend WhatsApp nkwa o friend normal line okay. Yeah, hello, wow, Homaso, Pacho. Hold on 1 minute, why? Na minkan echo nama when we. Me pamocho wow friend nama no direct, no men friend direct. Call it on WhatsApp. It will be a fresh system. Pacho, hold on 1 minute, mommy. Or see, so if a child's mother had a pre-settled status under the EU settlement before delivering, and the child also had some by default, does it mean the child is not qualifying child whose father can rely on to apply for a parent visa? Lawyer Patrick, Pacho, you my question in here. Pacho Mentewonka.
Right. And Pacho Otemen can say.
Yes, Miti.
Okay. Enti akwala ha na wofo no mu baako ewo pre-settled. Enti yama akwala no so pre-settled. Pre-settled no limited leave to remain normally. It's for 5 years. Si yama sa akwala no 5 years. Na papa no anase maame no obetimi a kire se one sa akwala no ewo family life a. Yes, obetimi a rely on sa akwala no na ono so etimi a application to stay here in the UK to send here yenia pa echo ebisa no. Nti yes, so we a parent na awufo no bi ewo pre-settled under the scheme. Yes, ubetimi a rely on akola no na also so why your friend say application, but enye under EU na wo ye no, unless one maame no ewo relationship na ubetimi a kire say ma form relationship no prior to your friend saying the relevant date no na ubetimi a kire. Then yes, ubetimi a application under the EU law. Failing that, no, as I say, we have application under the domestic law for limited leave to remain.
Okay, Lawyer Patrick, that's other for one, so number ending 9693. Pacho, it was your friend, say my auntie.
Your friend Ruta. Good morning,
Good
madam.
morning.
Medin Chiama Lawyer Patrick and so. Medana Sepani Nchuncheye. Masem Bisani say, me boyfriend near EU. But also on person obeko Ghana akwa ware. Na me bisa say proxy marriage Lawyer Patrick kan ho asem say nipa no oba obetumi add your customary marriage or Ghana na omo the certificate na send no. And also betumi aye bia na aba nipa na me no wo ho no nipa. Nti masem bisa no me da ase.
Okay, Lawyer Patrick, I hope say ote ye mama enka.
Yes, manya. Metenenka ye Deborah say. Okay, into Deborah, to be able to make application no ewo UK no. Say informal relationship no before the relevant date no as in your instant case now. Then na ehun be hia se bibi potin bi wo honti a se ye ka se free krom ha ebe unreasonable and normally no adekode a ye begina so a ye de hwe no eye enkwala a omo ye settled ewo krom ha because ye kire se ye ka se wo free ha then it means say automatically no and somehow no ye ka se akwala no so free her because only akwala no ewo family life, and this is irrespective say akwala no your biological child or not. What we are trying to demonstrate say only akwala no ewo relationship, and because some more relationship no say ye ka se free her as say somehow no akwala no so free her, so akwala no free her there na ebeye unreasonable, ebeye harsh, and then under Gen 3.2 no ɛno nti no yɛbɛka sɛ yɛnyina so na yɛma wo asetena no ɛwɔ kurom a wabra ɛnhia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana sɛ nyɛ saa na situation no ti a then I'm afraid unfortunately no ɛsɛ sɛ wokɔ Ghana na wokɔ ware ɛnhia sɛ one ɛyɛ wo ho kani no nyinaa ɛbɛfiri ha akɔ Ghana. No, that is not what we are saying. Ɛnhia sɛ wo mu nyinaa mu bɛfiri ha akɔ Ghana. In fact, ɛnhia sɛ mu nyinaa mu firi ha akɔ Ghana. Nti wo susu no ɛnhia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana na mo akɔ ware. Na mmom no mu betimi ayɛ customary marriage no ɛwɔ Ghana. But the problem is when it comes to submitting your application for leave to remain and no na a problem no because no there say nneɛma a yɛabɔ so yi ensi wo kwan a then you will be required to go home and make the application and come back. Nti na nyɛ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wo ne wo ho kan ni no by force mukɔ fie na mukɔ ware ansa na moaba ɛnyɛ saa na yɛka wɔn nkoa wo betimi akɔ na makɔ akɔyɛ customary marriage no na moyɛ customary marriage ni wie a wa rely on the marriage certificate no to submit an application for entry clearance as a spouse of a person who is settled here under the UK immigration laws. No? So long as you meet all of the other requirements. And the other requirements being said, ohukani na ubabe canons, or you'll be or yeah juma at least unya 18,600 or baby tia uba ubenya baby atia umeye burden on the state. A face so who say nipa na free amanone ebano. Why English language level A1 and answer the highest level a usually no would advise say the highest level because so ba ebetimia san boa mo the subsequent applications no so we obi a why degree dada then again ubetimia rely on u degree no say a foreign degree then uhia say obey conversion first na a NARIC and a ectic into ye sa conversion na odi a kyerɛ sɛ ampa sɛ umiti sa English language requirement no so degree no ye no ha then you don't need to do a conversion because a chroma degree na wa ye gitum ubetimi de no aka ho na odi a your application no manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick, where there once I cover a whole topic on it itself. Yo, other four also una money 5719. Baby, I may can't say friend fino one our free fee. My auntie, well, line is some patron my mentor unka. Hello.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Pacho. Sorry, nipa kuna wa line is so need na cut into wow, would that money 5511 no. My auntie unka.
Nipa chomede nana wusu.
Nana wusu.
Na em say we there. Okay.
Enya nana wusu enya ukoso.
Okay, em say program no dey nka me program but but that's sorry no mo ye na eja me.
Next time sorry in time.
We dey because me dey no me dey tourist anywhere mo wa ha.
Okay.
Na afia na me ba here.
Okay.
Last week na ewu ye.
Oh.
Na me be say ya mo no to fama me say kwan be na me pese maintain ma me
what
timi.
far?
Na me kan ma.
Enye bibi a meka say kobo anko repeat na tie ni nyina maye. Why?
Na menya repeat.
Program na ya na ye wi a na sa tie utie halfway u de pia kakra na nko halfway na tie lawyer cheche bibia mu ho. Because Osabesa Nechia, Ebema, Yemri, I just about 5 minutes to go. But lawyer, I obey me, I can be Kakramano and Sana, Wakona Kumatoni.
Right, you better in your say, and you were coming to Abroche, or by I won't say ahead until say no, my kakra. And that's good. Into your penny, so a couple of things. It be a formal relationship with Ubia. Or yes settled wa ha obi a or British and also or EU near what's na krom ha or settled na bi a saa nipa kure or ba saa akwala no or settled no e bi a akwala no British citizen or limited leave to remain and also say bi a saa akwala no or 7 years wo krom anti ama na setena wo krom ya ma me no so bi on na formal relationship. And also say akwala no or British citizen because na ne ma me settled near wo no so one saa nipa kro no aka bom na mote te say awarefo anase bibia edi adanse se mo ya awarefo pepepa then ubetimi agina no so na why application say student visa na ode buy again ubetimi switch to obi a oye partner because you say student visa no sisi ano and lead to settlement wacha na ebia ye bema wakwanya kakra once abaye o degree na wie no setena ha kakra na emum emfa wonkosi ba bia nti ubetimi switch from there na wako kan obi a ebia oye settled wa ha no eno no sa no kra no ehia se obekọ Ghana ubetimi aye bibia wa ha na watena kroma na waye application wa ha na waje wa settle nti no in a nutshell no yenua this is what we've been discussing so we could play back to say the manye advice na ya bobo enema ne bebre so a ubehu all of the dynamics you know any kwan bebre ubetimi afa so a waba as a tourist and as a visitor no ubetimi agina so na watena kroma.
Okay, la Patrick Medase. Pacho wa wo Melanie so no 9232 eduso. Good morning. Page your voice kakra because baby Alfred see no. Mean to me
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning. Hold on. La Patrick, what's your name, Kadie?
I'm thinking friendly. You try here, yes.
Okay, yo.
Yeah.
Good morning, I'm Patrick.
Yes, very good morning, sir.
Yes, my question is, you need to tell me question, EU family member or worry now, as I'm talking to you, when you're the illiterate, as it's your name, now, according to Madam Funo, we are the illiterate card. Now, I want to trust so as family member. I said, when you're permanent for almost 5 years. Now, also recently, when you're so with job, now the current prospective employer, actually the card is also for your family member. Yet, uncontacted home office phone. Numbers they are waiting, and they have verified our right to work. But according to him, because resident, and then I know no indefinitely. Now, he is under the immigration law, but no more under immigration EU or into one corporate registration. And because we said, as a permanent resident in Kuala family member also. Now this still or a still EU family member also what is that?
Right, okay. Nti you said the old regime no any regulation 2016 no yede appendix EU nearby no because you free EU nimnti no eno no abetake over ama since June no ne nyinaa no yede akwakoto nchen a yemfa nya adwuma biom nti sisia no appendix EU no na yede ye adwuma nti de na ye bodero a home office for air country ye ne se uyo obi a oye family member yamao residence card under the old 2016-2006 regulations now. SSR oye application under the EU settlement scheme, appendix EU no. Oye application under the scheme. Now ye mao status under that scheme no. Inti wadanfu ya wo kano ho asemi. Yes, even though one ne ho kani no ejai dada no. Ne asetena na ye de man sa time no. The man on the basis of the relationship with the ex-EU national. No. Inti ano no oda sukuta. What he can do now, no say, as I say, immediately, no, ohun lawyer, na oye application under the scheme. Because, se onim na okobonu humuso na ebia akwantu abai, opeso kodi holiday o baby, relying on sa card na ekuta na obenya problem when oba back ontime ma back because as it stands no oni asetena okroma nti ne card na ekuta no enye bibia e ma na asetena okroma as I said by 30th of June no
Labadi sorry o mean try no kakra or no be say patcho be so even though or war indefinite no say be sabi
5 years ago I qualified for the British national but
ese card no yes.
Right. Into yes, that is what it is. Even though because it is also our permanent residence. Permanent residence no is different from a year indefinite leave to remain under appendix EU, under the EU settlement scheme. Different. Into permanent residence no was granted under the EU law. A year old regime no. See amount settled status and answer indefinite leave to remain. Sa status na ye de amount no. Emra no ye mra ye free a ye EU for mra no mu ene ye de aba be hye ye domestic law no mu. Into leave na ye de amount no more or less under a domestic law no. Even though a EU mra no ena because say free mu no ya bone free mu na ye de aba be hye ha. Into insunsuye dantem. Enu nti na UK aban ye say we obi a ye ma wasitena back in 2006 based on 2006 regulations no. And also obi a ye ma wasitena under the 2016 regulations na ansana ye free ye EU no mu a saafo ni nyina either say owo permanent residence card and also say owo residence card for 5 years that time no mu nyina no by the 30th of June 2021 na etwa mu no na nkese say moye application under the scheme na ya mount either limited leave to remain as a family member so relationship no eda so wo ho and also say wundi 5 years but ebia after 3 years no wajai opese retain all right next say mu nyina moye application under the scheme na ye switch from 2016 any 2006 regulation na say edo ba appendix EU any EU settlement scheme na say so one nye saa de no na 30th of June aba be pa ho a emra ne se wo ha illegally uti so obi a sebe we free Ghana aba with a tourist visa na ne visa no aba bewu aha na wote no uni asetena na emom emra no so asa abokwan kakra e de ato ho e de aman se ubetimi a kire bibi potin bi nti a by the 30th of June no went me anye application under the scheme na se we are home office obegiatum and that is why I say even though our time na pa ho no still no obetimi aye application with reasonable reasons in tia when ye application no as at the time no na afe na oye so anye sa permanent residence na ekuta no na o say ye indefinite leave to remain no enya dia e de ne ko ba bia so tukwan na okọ Ghana with that card na yes o tukwan akwa obetimi akọ oba oni asetena ode beba nti on free kotokampo no abedu hitro na wetimi aka say obi wura krom ha no.
Okay, Papa, I hope say
I think that they will not go but I can see that there are not people out there who know this.
Many Abema, it's unfortunate. Adia way you born when they roll every day for that period, Nina, even during Corona time, but unfortunate, intino, oh, the lawyer na cano. Stress obey to me to say. Yo, Mate. You are welcome. Nina evidence based. Into no there be warm now Montreal. Nyoma obetumi de gina I be show evidence say and I say one ti and I say what tea no so na bia na bibi nti no de ye beka enu akire na yemre na ye call sisi aye 5 minutes apa ho na I've kept someone holding so enti no Mesremo we de na de mo fa nchen na lines na nye nti no na ne nyina jam but I'm not in the position to pick up any other call. There were 2 people standing. Yeah, so mo na afi yam fa dwumedie no emba ewie because client twen wo office our say mo nso yetumi enkoboa. Mesremo mesi memfa call bia biom. Enti no wa was so ma me a was so am keep hold. Mentie wo de na afi de membo me voice note na yem fancy ha. Pacha Charles say na o kasa friend.
That's already Matilda the Kasafi something here. Na me busa question kakra madam Kubia or the tourist visa. I be remember 2 months ago, but all but not yet 3 months pregnant. So na me busa say, is there any chance obe to me I will attend mana na appointment so no befa.
Okay. Or the news okay.
Madam Matilda, Pacho, you say now the buy na why you say
Where the la Patrick, Emodo, Mama, what's in the question now? Mammy, oh, my son, but what's the question?
But did I just say? Mante question.
na onyem no eya wanyi nsen ni papa okrom ha na wo Ghana.
Mpacho ne papa o Ghana.
Okay. Well, I mean, say okasa or tena krom ha, then waboni tirimu pose or tena ha for the next 7 years. Now akola no these 7 years what to me I indefinite leave to remain application at the amount akola no. Bear in mind say because of Baha as a tourist, you know. Uwo ho kwan say obetimi access NHS no for basic medical care. Now, obi a onyinsen de o care na obehia no, enye ne nyina na ye basic. Nti ukọ a wo so na ukọ wo a. Unfortunately, say one koshia eye barrow papa na ukọ hospital ho na ukọ wo a, omo the bill ebebrel in the 7,000s thereabout. Nti eyade ba ko a esese ohye no nso. Na ebia obetimi afa ba bi kakra. Enti on hye no nso. Enya ade a platform we beboa ye. Enti no on make appointment. Na yes. Manye, sorry.
Me nua ba yemre ne ko ho na wonua no kwan wo ho but sam kwan no adekire no eya na ye kire no wodan ye chi because yen time ne say eye illegal but yen time ne ko inte no ne ntumi nkire e wa ha what I say inte no mesra we ni die mo book your appointment friend na ma no ye BWF Solicitors for ne book your appointment go and sit in front of the lawyer one on one. Kwaya onua ba no wanyi nsan ne papa wo baby na ono so saa ne ma ne nyina no obetumi otewenim na wa kyerɛw na wehu but nimdeɛ ne bebre wɔ hɔ a odi betu dwa ɛyɛ na etumi bu ɔman enti no yɛmpɛ ne saa yɛpɛ ne yɛbɛboa yɛmpɛ ne nkrɔfo bɛ abuse no enti ne yɛbɛ abuse ne deɛ yɛbɛkye no ɛwɔ kukuem bɛgye no wɔ kukuem why nyame nhyraw lawyer Patrick mepa otwo eni die mepa otwo yemre ne call but one voice note two but mebo one na me the one no ate for chena membo one we pe my promises e mebo enti no membo na yenye ba kono krem se wa delete ne die no yo enye hwe yembo we.
Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Good morning, Manyeti. Patrick, my question back home. Me a British citizen and I'm a British child. Now, me share will be also the tourist visa and a free Ghana buy no much than the 6 months. Now, you say it's nabumu, na me pese menino basically ba haware. But I have me pese me at it na emano. But the problem now is me bano ne papa I rely on no. And I already renew the visa every 2.5 years. So me name say me new partner and also so with me the same child. I the visa me that say.
Okay. Lawyer Patrick, mpacho yenua ba question no beside no. Na ayemfa edumede ni bewe.
Right, Manye. That's a very, very brilliant question. Because akolai opopati baby or no rely on akola no ena or de etikrom ha. But ono no direct access to the child. Or mama say yes or direct access. So that's fine. Now yen ya be me obedane a partner as defined under your immigration rules no gen 1.2 na say oware mamia because oba hai ondi 2 years inti yentimi and demonstrate say omo durable relationship mo inti ebekọ akohia say omo be ware so ma ware dia na omo be honam baako ene abusua na one ye maami ba or ye settled no ewo eye abusua soso a then yes obetimi rely on sa ye maami be no no so aye an application. However, yenim say o the tourist visa eba krom ha usually no untumi en switch it to any category of your friend is saying visa ewo krom ha unless say what na krom ha ema was 6 months no apa. So in this instant case yenua case So obetimi aye application relying on the stepchild ene ne hokani wabra ma aware. Then the SSA ban say unfortunately no SSA obu emraso kakra. Na the entire kind kakra ne say ansana obetimi aye sa application no just say wa overstay. Just a while overstay. Now you be a uni assistant worker until 6 months no apa ho. Bear in mind say we overstay or commit a crime under the immigration rules under section 23 your friend is saying more than your friend is saying leave your dear visa na your dear na overstay or commit a crime. Unfortunately, that is the only way say oteha or the visitor's visa ne buy as a parent and a yes application na ubetimi agina so now there. With the EU law no, it is different. It is a woteha with your friend saying visitor's visa uye EU ni ebusuani a obesra ya no there is different. But under the UK domestic law no there unless visa no expire. Bear in mind, say, multiple visa. It allows you 6 months at a time. And even though a year, 2 years, 5 years, you are not allowed to stay here for the duration of the visa expiration. We are allowed at any given time, so wait me for 6 months. What even though 2 years multiple visa, not 6 months again, we overstay. Until we overstay, again, you can make an application under the rules. Manya.
Ede na ede say, ede na ede kra say, na che say, onim say hope asa, na so hope da so te ho twen o. Obi na Bob say, obi na oba be wo e wa ha no, bill no ye say wo hospital ho na, nke be ye £9,000 bill. Enti na Bob, hey, awo ba ko pe 9,000. Ene want na wo Ghana ho ba. Bi so a, wo sa scan nso dia, e be boa. Yebeda se na lawyer Patrick medase menim se nkrofo afa na nkrofo ehu a mogija messages no but me transfer nyame adomochena na yahwe no tiefo na ahwefo me dikan apologize for yen lines no se ne ekoba no bibi teach makakra nti na afa ne nyina enye adwuma WhatsApp line no nso no unim say wo frɛ na lawyer Patrick ma mmoaye a wo be frɛ a mentumi mpiki bi because o say yehu nipa ko a so ye be bisa no question bi a ye bisa answer na however I gave some obi ye can say kwan na on frɛ e wo normal line no but na eno no na ye mfemfem e wo lawyers na so nti no ye prefer the WhatsApp call no. Nyame nhyira obi bia a wotumi twɛn yɛ hwɛ yɛ nyame nka obi bia ho yɛbɛda mo ase BWF Solicitors de bia ɔma dedicate ɔmo ho for the community. We are community lawyers abre bia Thursday, Friday and Saturday 3 solid dates ɔmo de ma saa nkyerɛkyerɛ na megye de sɛ wo follow ya nka sesi a no ana megye de sɛ wo follow ya wenya nimdeɛ bebree ɛwɔ mmara ho ama mmara migration nsɛm family law nsɛm litigation nsɛm any mitigation even Ghanaian law wenya ho nimdeɛ bebree saa na yɛpɛ no sɛ wobɛnya nimdeɛ no na wode hinha wo ho sɛ biribi na ɛkyere wo so a ɔmo nni ɛkyire ɔmo ɛnyɛ yera kwan koraa ɛwɔ 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters London na ɔmo postcode ne yɛ N15 4NP. Number we medi kind de buy also besan agibium 0208 493 7340. Trosa nama no. Frɛ na book appointment o fra ye nuaba Sandra Fraser ye secretary papa bi obefa no e book appointment fefe ade amount. Enye bibi tuakitue bi na ose wo bebo na ye de afa lorry fe na de do amount. Nti no ye na kwa you have all the minutes you can talk to the lawyer omo ahobrase omo agiwa to omo tie o na wetumi aka won nsem nyina e de ama omo aha de ya cha 2 minutes na yesi bisa wasem oho no ubenya more than that na wetumi bisa wasem book appointment na ko hu omo madam nyina se lawyer Patrick yemre ne ko na ye bia ubeja ye bibia ansa ye de ifidie na toto ho ana
Right, manye thank you so very much for taking time to host us. As always, we're very grateful. And then to your community, so Yami Shamo Bebre say, Abrebia no, more hungry to learn. Into no, your fresh yembrana, yenina, yemetna, and kwankwanuase. Na yenidi ye home komo, ewo UK immigration law, ene emremua, munyina mode ofe. Ene eye opepa eba ma ye nyina yesua de. I hope say ene ya disua no ye nyina ye befa bibi efri mu na ye de aboye bra se nye ya ho personally kra na ebetimi a benefit onua bi adamfo bi so wa ha so wo Ghana ebetimi a benefit ye nyina na yetumi apekwan a yebetena krom ha yasesena mu ebetimi ahenha ye yedamu nyina ase nyame hyira mo ene mo support ene de moye ede boa yen sebeya a yenwumadi ni nyina betimi akonkan ye kono mo nhye ne nso se home office eye standard time a omode e decide ye applications no for entry clearance no first na eye 12 weeks ene omo ehwe Ukraine for applications and unfortunately omo entimi emiti sa 12 weeks standard decision making time no nti omo de akọ eye 24 weeks eye 6 months most so amaye applications ewo kroma in country applications no again na previously no ye nim said the standard time no eye 6 months but say a application under the UK domestic law, UK force debi. Saade no enya de a omudi subie mu a eyeyi. Nti omo yi afri ho. Omo yi afri ho a se oye application na based on article 8 any family life who register issues no wo a. Then unfortunately no omo ntimi and apply a standard time bia. Nti no se omo to omo bo ase na omo hwehwe mu yi. Nti betimi di more than 6 months. Ebetimi di 11 months. Ene nechi eko ebi so wa ebetimi abantem ntini nyina no case by case basis na emom no se wo exceptional anasa wo compelling circumstance bi a ene ntini we pese home office for ebe expedite application a ma omunya aware na omunye sa emfama compelling compassionate circumstance ebi a ho kani bi aka ba bi ebia esese wo ko ba bi for medical emergency and ntino hia say ye be decide wo application ntem saa niema we nyina eka boa no a obetimi a kire home office na o me decide wo application no ntem e de ama even though a Ukraine for situation no. Apart from that no say maya enya de a esese wakomatu because say extension of leave and wo ya o leave no even though a o biometric card no date na was no say I expire no o leave na nkasa de etoa so because we are in time or the friend no section C right into section C right no eba wo ho ban obetimi aye adwuma obetimi a rent dan obetimi aye bibia wo ye bia de wontimi nye unfortunately ni say obetimi etu kwan ba no so de sebe nye bibia ekye so bebre sa nti yemfa we ento ye bottom na yemfa nko na awotwe mu na nyame ya adom a dasene obo ade dodom ya yebesan ehia bium yedom ase the whole team Professor Dai and executive director Lord Bernard and afi media your friend is saying guru Oroku Owusu Frimpong and Magneti and the partners of BWF and the entire team now what BWF Solicitors and almost support. Yes, okay, chia kwan se na manya aka no. Ye chia kwan enye yira kwan kra. Ye the easiest law firm to find in the whole of the UK because ye na ye building a see a train station so into ye the easiest law firm in the whole of the UK to find. Upie ya yes ye ni yes mon share so ye be share mo. God bless you. Manya, thank you.
God bless. Oh, la patch we dey why end note and if come any say make bibia na obi aka asre some or see quote enyam na make quote and on quote ye nua be ma bam one smith Kumelius or say ma me na onyem no say wo de pe okru ni bi wa ha no nhwe so ma why or say bomode na pe be ma ni bi wa ha no nhwe so say on water aduaba no so a Into all water so na kyerɛ sɛ ɔgye responsibility no wɔn sɛ bi wɔ hɔ saa ɛnyɛ me na meka o mpabokyɛw na ɔyɛ saa na akwadaa no she can get leave for the child after birth and for herself depending on the child or supposed fathers. Into where the or see quote and non-quote. Not just on so quote 2 baby no the aba. So paucho it will be asem. Me da mo nyina se na yemre ne kokra na wonim so se emre ne kɔ dia say anomache bia so a oyɛ den ɔgyebo na ye gyebo yi die ene ye nkɔ na edwuma bi kyerɛ sɛ ye kyɛ wa na baabi nso edi chima enti me da mo nyina se nyame nka nyina da se ne ebesen hia me ma nyina bye bye.
Thank you.
Yɛyɛ fɛma yɛwɔ London. Yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree. Na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services, bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, ɛne family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna twitwa gye woɔ, na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa. Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Nti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofra hwemu, awaragya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu. Enunti ne yetu ye mboa sima wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ ye gina wachi etwitwa agyew ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wope advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors deɛ ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Ye senior partner eye member na wasan gina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Enti se ye taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkron pa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene dan so eye appointment nko a free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye were 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bi a otai kasa ewo radio eni TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.